Hello everyone. Hey, take 10. Hi guys. I'm going to teach you how to make decisions. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do an interesting, hopefully a helpful video, and it's all about making decisions. Two things you learn from this method. One is to check yourself if you're making decisions out of impulse, and two is to actually use this method before making big decisions. This is a method I use to check myself before I make big decisions. If I'm in a good place physically, mentally, and emotionally to make such decisions. I check myself if I'm making a decision out of impulse. I can't remember where I read about this method, but I guarantee you it works. But before that, I hope you're subscribed to my channel. If not, please subscribe and push that bell button to get notified whenever I post. So let's get into it. It's an acronym. HALT. H-A-L-T. H stands for hungry, A stands for angry, L stands for lonely, and T stands for tired. Stop. HALT. Stop. I never make decisions when I'm hungry. I never make decisions when I'm angry. I never make decisions when I'm lonely, and I never make decisions when I'm tired. When I want to evaluate a big decision that I'm about to make, I halt. I check myself. Am I hungry? Am I angry? Am I lonely? Am I tired? If all these emotions or one of all these emotions is in place, it means I'll use my emotions to make a certain decision. Like for example, you're driving past KFC, you're hungry, and you only have 1,000 bob in your pocket. Eat, be broke. If you're hungry, you'll eat and be broke. It's not logical. You're making a decision out of emotions. You get it? Yeah. I hope I'm making sense. So my dear friends, please do not make decisions when you... Just remember this. HALT. Remember Amanda said HALT. Do not make decisions when you're hungry, angry, lonely, or tired. I guarantee you will make the wrong decisions, because emotions, decisions based on emotions are the wrong decisions. Wrong. We have all made them. Imagine, even as you think about it, the decisions you've made. You are either hungry, you are either angry, you are either lonely, or you are either tired. Just halt. That's the simple, effective way of making decisions. I hope this video has been so helpful to you. It's so simple, but I hope you remember it when you're making decisions. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with everyone you know, your sisters and brothers and uncles and aunties, everyone, neighbors. Well, let's say what? Bring them all. Remember to do good, to stay true, and to have a lovely day. What is this in my hands? Bye. Bye. Look at my shiny shirt. It is so shiny. Ooh, girl. Imagine that.